Data always tells you a story, and measures of central tendency tell us a critical part of that story. What are measures of central tendency? Measures of central tendency tell us about the center or overall shape of a distribution. What do we mean by shape? Imagine that the x-axis, the horizontal axis, shows the categories of the variable being studied, and the y-axis, the vertical axis, shows you how many people in the sample fall into that category. In this example, we can see the average grade point average of incoming freshmen at Cal Poly Pomona. The three measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. The mean gives you the average, the median, the point that divides the distribution in half, also known as the 50th percentile point, and the mode gives you the most frequent value in a distribution. This is also sometimes referred to as the probability average. The mode is the most frequent value in a distribution and is your only option for nominal variables. Sometimes it's called the probability average because in the absence of all other information, it's the best guess at what category someone would fall into. For example, we have 8 colleges here at Cal Poly Pomona. If you don't know anything about someone other than the fact they're enrolled here, what's the best guess for what college they're enrolled in? It's the modal category, or in this case, the College of Engineering. As you can see, 24% of students are enrolled in the College of Engineering. However, I also want to note that 22% are enrolled in the College of Business Administration. This distribution may be what's called bimodal, or having 2 modes. The mean is the average. In simple terms, you add up all of the values in a data set, then divide that by the total number of values. In this example here, we have 11 values. So you would add up all 11 values, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2, all the way out to 16, and then divide by 11. The median is the 50th percentile point, or the point at which half the values are above or below. You can use a median for either ordinal or interval ratio level data. This is an ordinal example. Take a quick look. Where do you think the median is? The median is somewhere in the juniors category. That's the point at which half the values would be above and half the values would be below. Please note that in this case, the mode is seniors. The median and the mode are not necessarily the same. If you have a numeric data set, as in this case we have interval ratio level data, and you need to calculate a median, it's the same idea. At what point are half the values above and half the values below? In this example, it would be 6. In an interval ratio level distribution that is normal, the mean, median, and mode share the same value. The next step to understanding the shape of a distribution is how spread out the values are. For this, you need to take a look at measures of dispersion.